I mean, this model is inspired by F-22 Raptor, though it's a combination hybrid of Su-57 Felon as well as F-22 Raptor has been taken in consideration when we were designing it. So the main part of this thing system is particularly is the combined wing face. This is called the wingspan, and these are the vertical stabilizers. These are ailerons, and these are rudders. But say for the specifically when you are taking vertical lifts off. So they have different classification. So it depends upon for what purpose you are naming it and for what application it is being made for. So this is you can say unmanned autonomous vehicle UAV, and hypothetically you can say it as a high-speed drone also.
A drone interceptor. Drone to drone interceptor.
So the main function of this particular Vikra, this model name is Vikra. So Vikra is a kind of system that intercept high-speed drones. So this Vikra is much more faster than say the kamikaze drones which are coming from the enemy, say from the enemy point of view. It's coming from outside the border. So if it is deployed, what it can does is it will detect whichever the enemy drone is coming to us, and it will go and it will try to intercept. Say hard kill, hard to hard kill. It can carry a payload around like say 1 kg up to 1 kg, and it can also be scaled up. It can carry up to even 500 kg also. That is for the bigger version. This one is scale model, a little scale model of what actually we are trying to depict. So you can see this is entirely made from polyfoam, and it has a carbon fiber inside wingspan, stabilizers, and it has a carbon fiber blade as well. And along with that, we are using lithium polymer batteries for cruising purpose, and that's how this thing is. And I'll show you a little bit of it, how it's working. This is for taking a left off when you are cruising at. So everything is independent. So if you want to do a Cobra maneuver on the air, if you have seen Top Gun Maverick, so you can see those high-speed plane comes like and they just topple on the air. It can does such thing acrobat when it is say intercepting a drone. So it can also be integrated with a FPV camera. So if you are, say example, if you're cruising at around 10,000 or 15,000 feet above the sea level, you can have a clear view what is actually how the enemy front line is all about. You can see, it can be also a part of surveillance as well. So that's how Vikra is, and this is the first scale model. Our coming model is also coming up with some different updates that will be a subsonic speed, somewhere around 750 to 800 km per hour. So that will be a way ahead of the same drones. The market that we think as of now. So I'll show you one more thing. Can someone इससे पकड़ सकता है क्या?
पकड़ लो
मतलब भाग जाएगा।
हाँ।
प्लेट के साइड से
सर ये देखना आप ब्यूटी जंग खाते हैं
पकड़े मत रहना। They are not. This is how it does.